behind the toilet, again in the bathroom. This, I cannot say enough about this. Behind the toilet, there will always be stuff. Okay. There's a little hose that goes behind the toilet and it connects the water to the toilet itself. And there's a lot of dust, and we call it toilet paper dust. So if your toilet paper is near the toilet, when you rip the toilet paper off the toilet paper roll, there's toilet paper dust that goes floating away. Okay. Now, if anybody left any gunk on the toilet, around the wall, the toilet paper dust sticks and it becomes like a magnet. So now you have icky gunk plus toilet paper dust on the little faucet, the little turn knob, that hose that goes up to the toilet, and then anything behind your toilet, whether it's like a toilet bowl cleaner, whether it is a toilet brush, whether it's a plunger, if you have a little garbage can, or heaven forbid, there is a little basket of books or whatever it is you do next to the toilet. Some people have all kinds of stuff. I'm like, why is this here? But it has gunk plus toilet paper dust on it. So there is a time, and you are going to be down on your hands and knees. I've never figured out a way to actually get it clean unless you actually get down there. You got to get down on your hands and knees. I don't care if you take a cloth and you put it on the floor so you can kneel on it. I don't care how you do it, but you have to get around the toilet bowl. You have to get the floor beside the toilet. You have to get the walls and the baseboard around the toilet area. And you have to clean all of that up. And you have to do that every single time before they show your house, every single time. So my suggestion is every day when you get up at the top of the day, take a look and say, is there anything here that needs to just be wiped down? Do it so that in a pinch, if the phone rings and they say, we're on our way over, you're not stopping, scrambling, trying to like wipe down the toilet and wipe down the area behind the toilet. Okay. This is a deep cleaning thing. It's very inexpensive to do, but it must be done every single day. Okay. It must be done if you're showing your house. There's no forgiveness if you have toilet paper, dust, and gunk behind and around the floorboards of your toilet. And like Aaron just said, in a very bold move, that 100% of the time people are going to use your toilet. If that's true, we want them to have the most, in the world of marketing, we call it the best user experience, right? We want to create that for our new homeowners that are going to buy our home and spend all the money, right? So
You
we're
you guys can also ask your agent for a checklist. We have a couple of checklists. We have a make ready checklist for your home, and then we have a get ready checklist. The get ready checklist is, hey, I've got a showing coming over. What are the top 5 things I need to go do right now? And so you can always ask your realtor for that. And then also ask your realtor to give you an hour of warning on your showings. So at least you have a few minutes to grab that list and make those arrangements, unless you do that in the morning before work and then you leave the house and it's already done for the day.
right. Thank you for mentioning that. That's awesome. And great tips.